right. So, is it safe, or the question I'm trying to ask, one of the questions that comes up is, I brought my car in to the shop. It needs some safety repairs done. I'm not even sure what that means, but it needs some safety repairs done. And now the shop's telling me I can't drive it away. How can they do that?
So, it's not how can we do that? Why would we do that? It's that we care enough not to let you be in an unsafe vehicle. So the best way that I know how to describe this certain situation would be how we train all of our team members. The filter that we have our team members run through is if we would not trust our mom, our brothers, our sisters, our wives, our kids in that vehicle to drive down the road and say, hey, go to the store, we're not going to let you get back in that thing, because your safety is so much more important than us making a sale. You don't have to do the repair. You don't have to do any of that. You also don't have to risk your life just because you think it can drive. So when a situation like this happens, and what you're referencing to the safety and what a lot of people don't know is safety, safety is any item that keeps that vehicle on the road at all times. If a brake caliper seizes up when it closes, you're going to veer off the road. If one of your steering components fails, you're going to veer off the road. If your radiator or some cooling component blows and you lose all your coolant and you overheat, you're going to die. The vehicle's going to die going down the road. Those are safety items, because you can't be veering off the road hitting ditches. You can't be breaking down in front of somebody and then a semi comes along and you get in a super bad accident. Anything that would stop that vehicle in any unsafe way or in anything is going to be those safety items that we're talking about. And if it's bad enough that we say, hey, you can't drive this, it's for your safety as well as the shop safety. We want to be here to care for you after that vehicle, when you get that new vehicle and when you get that opportunity. And if we let you leave in an unsafe vehicle and you get in a wreck after leaving here, we're actually responsible for you getting in that wreck, because it's our expert advice and it's our expertise that come by. We're the last ones that touch that vehicle. And if you drive out, it means we gave you the okay that that vehicle's safe. If it's not safe, we can't do that.
Very good. So what happens in those situations?
So in those situations, depending on what the customer would like to do, we can give you one of our vehicles. We can set you up with a rental. We can make a plan of action for the vehicle, whatever it needs. You're not just going to be left without transportation. If you can't do anything and maybe it's time to get that new vehicle and you got to check out some options, we can give you a ride or a rental for the time being, and we can get that vehicle towed back to the house safely. And if it means the difference of you not driving it and you getting in a wreck, we're more than happy to just take care of it for you. We'd rather you be safe. That's how much we care, than you drive that vehicle.
So like taking care of the tow?
Taking care of the tow, whatever it takes. We'd rather you be safe than you have potential to have self-harm or harm others in any type of way.
Okay, very good.